Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hear footsteps better in Modern Warfare 2. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. To start with, I'm just going to open up my settings here and you want to select audio. I'm just going to run through my audio options. So feel free to copy this if you want to hear footsteps better in game. To start with, I might audio mix on PC. The master volume, I've actually got is 70. I've heard if you have it on like 100, it actually was a lot of distortion. So I'll just keep it just below that, just so everything sounds good. Next up, gameplay music. I'm just turning this off. Personally, I don't really want to listen to it. Makes it harder to hear footsteps or whatever. So yeah, that's off. Dialogue volume, I've set this to 40. Still want to be able to hear this, but don't do it too loud. This affects volume 100 so that you fully know what's going on inside of the game. On voice chat volume at 50. Now if they're on playing with people, you're gonna say there's a 0, but I've got a 50 for now. And also cinematic music and war trucks volume are set to 0. Personally, I don't need them. Yeah, we'll scroll down a bit more until you get to this accessibility bit. You want to make sure mono's off. Some people's light is on, but no, just keep that off. You want to put reduced tinnitus sound on. Let's make things sound a lot better. And the final option is actually the game changer. It's hit marker sound effects if you're going to be able to hear footsteps better and fully know what's going on inside your game. You want to put this to none. Now you won't be able to hit more because if you turn this off. However, if you want to be able to know everything else that's going on inside your game, you do want to actually have this off, as otherwise you can get distracted from this noise a lot. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.